I know you're meeting with John, but can you come down here real fast? I need it just for a few seconds. I've got a student I need your help with. Dr. Tretter-Larkin, I don't know if you know this, but we've got a few other clones of you. Why don't everyone show Dr. Tretter-Larkin your new faces?
It's just like her.
Oh, it looks just like, hold it over your face. That's what you're supposed to do. There we go. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So we've got a special little program for you. We have your family over here. So that is Ms. Tretter-Larkin's family right there. Let's all wave at them. All right, Ms. Lovely, Ms. Tretter-Larkin, Dr. Tretter-Larkin, let's take a seat over there by your husband.
Oh my
God. Yo, LTL, let's kick it.
2, ready, go, doc, doc, baby.
Yo, kids, let's get out of here. Word to your teacher.